4 ways to heal dry and cracked heels. If you don't care for your heels and feet the right way, you will suffer from dryness and cracks. There are many possible causes for cracked heels. In this video, we will introduce 4 natural and effective natural remedies that cure without using medicines and products sold in pharmacies. 1. Pumice stone and foot bath. This is a well-known method for heel care, but this time it will be easy to understand even for first-time users and will be explained in detail. Things necessary. Pumice. A container to put your feet in. Warm water or hot water, set the temperature to your liking. Moisturizing cream or almond oil. How to use. It is recommended to do this before going to bed or 1 hour before taking a short break. Put hot water in the container. Put your feet in when the temperature is high enough not to burn you. After putting your feet on for 20 minutes, put your feet out and rub your heels with a pumice stone. Be careful when rubbing if it is cracked. If you press and rub it a little, you will feel the heel soften in a few minutes. Then put your feet in hot water to remove dead skin cells and allow them to dry. After applying moisturizing cream or almond oil, put on socks. Let it soak overnight. 2. Exfoliating with oats. Exfoliating not only heals cracks in the heel but also has the effect of keeping the heel clean. This exfoliation using natural materials has no side effects and is recommended for people with sensitive skin. Material. Oat flour ½ cup, 30 gram. Jojoba oil 3/4 cup. How to use. Place oats and jojoba oil in a suitable sized container and mix until pasty. Apply the paste to your feet and gently massage for a few minutes. Then leave it for 10 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. If the paste remains, store it in a plastic or glass container and use it next time. 3. Lemon and glycerin. Moisturizing with glycerin is recommended for the treatment of dry and cracked heels. Lemon acid also removes dead skin cells. Material. Hot water. Crude salt. Rose water ½ cup, 100 milliliters. Lemon juice 1/4 cup, 62 milliliters. Glycerin ½ cup, 100 milliliters. Things necessary. Pumice. Socks. A container to put your feet in. Large container or bowl. Small bowl. How to use. Put hot water in a large container. Add crude salt, lemon juice, and glycerin. Put your feet in a place where the ingredients are lightly mixed so that they dissolve, and leave them for 15 minutes. In a small bowl, add crude salt, lemon juice, glycerin, and rose water and mix. Mix until it applies it to the area of concern on the heel. Put on your socks and leave them overnight. Rinse your feet the next morning. Please continue for 5 days. 4. Banana avocado cream. This method is recommended for those who are not good at spending time. It will be completed in 40 minutes, so if you are not good at going to bed with cream applied, please try this. Material. 1 to 2 bananas, half medium-size avocado. How to use. Mix all ingredients to make a cream. Apply firmly to your heels and feet. Let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes and then rinse.